Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fit a curve to your data using Excel and make prediction based on it. So let's get started. Excel offers a variety of curves that you can fit. Each with its corresponding general equation is shown on this slide. Let's take an example to walk through the process. In this example, I am going to use a set of randomly generated two-column data, where the first column contains the independent variable x and the second column contains the dependent variable y. To plot the data, select both columns and navigate to the Insert tab. Here you can see different chart options. Select XY scatter plot. Here you can choose any plot type, but I prefer to have a plot with discrete markers, as it is easier to see the data point on plot with discrete marker. Now you can add trend lines to your plot in two ways. We will see both of these methods one by one. In first method, select the plot by left clicking anywhere on the plot. You will see two new tabs will appear. Navigate to the chart design. In chart design, you will find this add chart element option. In add chart element option, you can find trend lines. Here you can select more trend line options to add trend line. Alternatively, select your data on chart by left click, then click right. Here you will see add trend line. Click add trend line and this format trend line dialog box will appear. In the format trend line dialog box, you can customize your trend line by selecting different types and styles. For this particular dataset, a third degree polynomial gives a good fit. You can also display the equation of the curve on chart by checking the display equation on chart. And there you have it. Adding a trend line to your dataset in Excel is quick and easy. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.